Yesterday, we talked about this video and how lots of people were diagnosing this person as psychotic or having a psychotic episode from a short clip online when that was not appropriate. And in that video, I talked about what psychosis really is diagnostically and how it's so inappropriate to try and formally diagnose someone online. And I want to follow up, especially in relation to comments like this one. Because we often see behaviors, especially online, that we don't like and we want to categorize them. Red flags, for example, which is fine, it's a colloquial term. But it's so easy to then jump into diagnosing these people, to call them psychotic, schizophrenic, bipolar, borderline. So we can certainly talk about behavior being inappropriate, socially unacceptable, red flags. We could even talk about whether it's illegal, ask some attorneys whether it's classified as assault, for example. But when we try and put a label of a diagnosis on it, we absolve the person of the responsibility they might have to simply not be a jerk. And second, it does a disservice to folks who are struggling with mental illness. As I've talked about in prior videos, individuals with actual diagnoses are statistically less likely to commit violent offenses to harm others than individuals without those diagnoses. And so when we incorrectly connect these red flag behaviors to diagnoses, even though the statistics tell us those don't go together, we are now causing harm to the individuals with the actual diagnoses. Because now the common person on the street assumes that if somebody has a diagnosis, they are dangerous, even though the opposite is true. Which means that that person is going to be avoided, they're not going to receive the help and support they need, and people are going to fear them when that's not the appropriate reaction. And if you take nothing else from me in this conversation, I hope you at least take that.